Hi everybody, it's Jake Chisholm with Results Realty Atlantic, and I'm here at 65 Oak Street in beautiful Pictou. You're going to like this house because it's a bungalow, it's small, and your expenses are going to be low. Yes, in a time where we all want to simplify, this is the one. So you're going to love the big kitchen, it's updated, it's modernized. The back deck, I think I could probably live out there all summer. I think you will too. The trees out front just give it this homey feeling, and you're just going to see it for yourself. We've got 3 bedrooms. You could turn one into a den or maybe an office or a craft room, music room. So you don't really have to have 2 bedrooms, but you could also have 3 bedrooms too. So just depends on the kind of living you need. So anyways, you know I talk and I talk and I talk, so let's just go inside and see everything. So, what'd you think? I know this place is adorable. Easy, complete living. Like, I can live here in a heartbeat. It'd be so easy. So you know what you need to do. You know this house is going to fly. Bungalows are hot. It's the back deck. It's in Pictou. It's gonna go. So you gotta get in here. You gotta come see it. And you gotta feel it out. So give us a call, and we'll see you all soon.